Hello MSSU! Today we're going to talk about the library service called Mobius. If you're on the library homepage and you scroll down, under the tab Books and Media, this is a search for library materials, books, ebooks, DVDs, and so forth, and underneath you'll see a link called Mobius. This allows you to request materials from other libraries. Mobius is a consortium of libraries in the state of Missouri that lends materials to each branch free of charge to our patrons. Let's do a search. As you can see, when you do a search at MSSU Library, you're going to have a location and a call number and possibly a note. You'll need to see if the status is available. If it's available, that means it can be checked out immediately. But what if it's not available? Then you'll need to search Mobius. At the top of the page, there's a button that says Search Mobius. Here, you can see how many libraries have the titles you're looking for. Let's click on this one. As you can see, there's a large list of libraries that have this title. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see which ones are available, which are not requestable, and which are checked out. You only need one copy to say available to borrow it from a Mobius library. To make a request, hit the Request It button, and then you're going to choose your branch. Mobius, Missouri Southern State University, and then you're going to enter your personal information. You'll need your first and last name, and then your S number with the S in front, and MSSU at the end. Caps does not matter. After that, the last thing is to choose a pickup location. If you are faculty or staff, you can choose faculty staff delivery. Otherwise, please choose MSSU. This will send the material to the main circulation desk on the 3rd floor. To check it out, all you need to bring is your ID. Once you hit Submit, it'll tell you your request was successful, and you can see the status of your request on your library account. You'll log in with your first and last name and your S number, just as we did the Mobius request. And I can see I have a request in transit and a request that has been requested, so they have not sent it yet. Once this says available, I can check it out. There are limitations on what you can check out through Mobius. For example, you cannot check out electronic materials. Ebooks, even if they show up, are not something that can be checked out. This is due to contracts and publishers' limitation on access. You can search for the same material in a physical format and request it. Generally speaking, Mobius requests take around 3 to 5 business days to arrive at the library. You will receive an email notification when your item is ready to be picked up. As always, if you're having any trouble using Mobius, please feel free to contact the library. You can find our information on the library homepage and reach us through email, calling, texting, or even chat. Have a great day!